Think most people have their Chrome settings safe on their phone? You'd be shocked. One wrong option could quietly leak your data before it's too late. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick tweaks that save data, block trackers, and keep you safe from dangerous sites, all in under a minute. First up, stop Chrome from wasting your mobile data. Open Chrome, tap the 3 dots in the top right, and go to Settings. Head into Privacy and Security, scroll to Preload Pages, and switch it to No Preloading. Why? Chrome won't guess and load pages in advance, saving your data and making your phone snappier. Most people leave this on by default, which quietly eats up data in background. And now for the most important tip. Don't ignore safe browsing. Go back to Privacy and Security, tap Safe Browsing, and switch from standard to enhanced protection. Chrome will warn you about risky websites, scan downloads for malware, and protect your phone from hidden threats. Leave it on standard and you could accidentally click something harmful. Next, let's stop websites from spying on you. Go back in Privacy and Security, tap third-party cookies and choose Block third-party cookies. This keeps sites from tracking your activity and prevents ads from following you. Skip this, and your browsing is basically an open diary for advertisers. These 3 changes are super simple, but they make a huge difference in privacy, safety, and speed. So, which of these did you not have already, or which one surprised you the most? Comment below before you forget.